1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5. There's Elvis. 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9. And number 10. She waits on her ride from Daddy every night. Phyllis.
Come on, Phyllis. Oh, it's all right, baby. It's all right.
Phyllis.
It's all right. Come on.
She never comes inside, so John has to bring her inside. She said, "Where are you going to put me, Daddy?"
We'll put her in the nest.
Okay.
We'll stick her in the nest. There you go, baby.
All right, night-night, Phyllis. You're number 10. Cricket says it is night-night time. She's under her heat lamp. Oh, goodness.